Yeah, Ayush, if you can tell me your opinion of Chinese pavilion. What did you eat?
Recovering from
Yes,
shock.
yes, yes. This is yeah, because you ate some hot paneer, I think, na? So how did you like?
Okay, if you're non-vegetarian, come here.
Really? So
Here.
really? So that's what really you
Come
can.
here if you're non-vegetarian, you'll have the best thing of your life.
Okay, so Chinese pavilion it is. So this place is near Rai Durgam, and it's an experience dining here. So so Ayush, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give the rating?
Upside down 8.
Okay, like that.
Upside down 8 is the same.
Okay, so
I mean,
truly people can't recommend this place enough.
that
This is how it looks.
infinity.
Dining here is an experience.